Hey everybody. So today I would like to improve the squash logic because I thought about it and there's a much simpler and better way to do it. Here we go. We're going to completely get rid of the squash point. It's silly and unnecessary because all we need to do is look at the velocity of the actor coming in on the z-axis. If our velocity is greater than a certain value, we know it's a downward velocity and we count it as a squashing hit. So what we're going to do is, rather than take in an f vector of the impact point, we're going to take in the velocity and we're going to say velocity to kill. And we'll set that to 0. We'll rewrite the comment after. In the constructor, just delete all that. And then in the function here, go ahead and change your parameters. What we want to do here is just change the if statement here. And what we're looking for is the velocity. Is it normalized first of all? And if so, just take the z. If not, we want to normalize it first, then we want to take the z. And then we want to check if it's greater than our velocity to kill. That's it. One last thing that we should do here to improve the stability of this, we want to get the brain component and then check if it's valid before we use it. Otherwise we'll get a null pointer error if we disable the AI. Okay, let's go ahead and put some comments in here and compile. Okay, and once the editor's open, just come up to your enemy class, get rid of the break hit result. We don't need that anymore. Just get other actor, get the velocity, and all we have to do is just pass that right in. Compile, save, and if we hit play and jump on our bad guys, we get the same logic as before. So there you go. Cleaner, simpler squash logic. Until next time, later.